So do any of you know someone who's not been betrayed in this world? Matlab, not betrayed, matlab not by anybody. It's not possible, na? I think we've all been betrayed by someone, or we imagine we've been betrayed, or we perceive, but there has been betrayal from the other to the self. But I think very few talk about self betrayal, and I think I've been a champion of self betrayal. You know what does self betrayal mean? Means I keep everyone before me. So I just am goody two shoes. I just want to be sure that sabka acha ho. If I go to a restaurant, whatever you all want to eat, I'm good with it. Whichever movie you all want to go, yeah, I'm fine. Even my very bestie travel friend, my friend called Red, she also vouches for me. She was such a delight to travel with, because I'll say I'm your little lamb. I'll follow you wherever. So I've started to now realize that it's self betrayal at some deep level, that I don't come first to me. I mean, it's always others. So we have to really actually learn that self betrayal happens when you are too selfless, too giving. So you have to, I think, my lesson has been to able to know myself and say, look, this is what I like, and this is what I need, and this is what I want. And I think with self betrayal is a very sad thing, because I think as women we've always been told कि ऐसे you're selfish if you ask for too much, if you say this is for me. So I've been doing a little bit of self betrayal, and now I'm coming to realize that. And once you realize that, then your journey starts towards the other, to be able to uh, turn in and say, I matter, I matter, I matter.